Hi friends, welcome to Toddlers TV. Today we are going to learn 5 amazing vehicles. Are you ready? Let's go. Car. This is a car. A car has 4 wheels. It takes people from one place to another. Car. Bus. This is a bus. A bus carries many people. School buses take children to school. Bus. Train. This is a train. A train runs on tracks. It can travel very fast. Train. Airplane. This is an airplane. Airplanes fly high in the sky. They take people around the world. Airplane. Fire truck. Fire trucks help firefighters put out fires. They have loud sirens. Fire truck. Fantastic job! Today we learned 5 vehicles: car, bus, train, airplane, and fire truck. Keep learning with Toddlers TV. Ask a grown up to like this video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.